The crossover clamp has been one of our most popular accessories, and what this bent U-bolt does, it allows you to take two pieces of EMT conduit, stack them, and join them like this. And up until now, we've had it for 1-inch EMT and 3/4, and now we have a 1/2-inch version for your 1/2-inch builds. And what this does is it allows you, just with this simple bent U-bolt, to orient the conduit like this. And you can see that this plate here provides tension on the whole thing, holds it down, and then through these nuts, tightening down with a socket, you get a secure connection of the two pipes like that. Now, it's really similar to our 180-degree connector in that the 180 kind of makes a cross. It does a similar thing, and I'll show you with the pieces of conduit here, where the 180 has a center pipe and then two terminating pipes on either end. And this keeps everything in the same plane, but you do have to cut and interrupt that piece of conduit into two pieces. And that can be either a benefit or you might lose a little bit of strength. I think one of the main benefits of the crossover clamp is that you can have a reinforcing connection without cutting either of these pipes, which really makes it strong and provides a lot of rigidity. We're really excited to have the 1/2-inch crossover clamp in the collection. A lot of people have been building with 1/2-inch EMT. It's a little bit cheaper, still pretty strong, so you might find it helpful in your builds. I'll put the link to this down below. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next one.